Most people hear the word dinosaur and imagine the same thing: a giant reptile, sharp teeth, and something chasing people through a jungle. But dinosaurs were far more diverse than that. Some were hunters, some ate plants, some were smaller than a chicken, and some grew larger than buildings. Take Tyrannosaurus rex, probably the most famous dinosaur ever discovered. T-Rex lived around 66 million years ago and was a carnivore. Its teeth could reach over 7 inches in length, and its bite force was one of the strongest ever measured for a land animal. Despite its reputation, scientists still debate how much of its food came from hunting and how much came from scavenging. Then there was Triceratops. Unlike T-Rex, Triceratops was a herbivore. It spent its time eating plants, shrubs, and low vegetation. Its 3 horns and large bony frill likely helped with defense and competition against other Triceratops. And yes, it lived during the same period as T-Rex, which means the two animals probably encountered each other. But dinosaurs did not all look like tanks. Velociraptor was much smaller than movies made people believe. Most were roughly the size of a turkey. They were carnivores and likely hunted small animals. Evidence suggests they had feathers, making them look much closer to modern birds than giant reptiles. Then there was Brachiosaurus, one of the giants. This dinosaur could reach heights of over 40 feet because of its long neck. It was a herbivore and spent much of its life feeding on vegetation that smaller dinosaurs could not reach. Imagine an animal browsing treetops the way giraffes do today, only much larger. Some dinosaurs were built for speed. Gallimimus is a good example. With long legs and a lightweight body, it was likely among the faster dinosaurs. Scientists believe it was an omnivore, meaning it probably ate both plants and small animals depending on what was available. Ankylosaurus took a different approach to survival. Instead of speed, it relied on armor. Its body was covered with thick bony plates, and its tail ended in a massive club capable of delivering powerful blows. It was a herbivore.
Hard to eat, harder to attack. Then there was
Spinosaurus, a dinosaur that looked unlike almost anything else. It had a long crocodile-like snout, a large sail on its back, and spent much of its time around water. Current evidence suggests it ate fish, and may have been one of the first semi-aquatic dinosaurs scientists have identified. For a long time, people imagined dinosaurs as giant lizards. But discoveries over the last few decades changed that picture. Many species likely had feathers. Some cared for their young, some hunted in groups, and some were surprisingly intelligent for their time. The more fossils scientists discover, the stranger the dinosaur world becomes. Because there was no single type of dinosaur, there were hunters, scavengers, armored giants, fast runners, treetop grazers, fish hunters, and countless species that have not even been discovered yet. When people talk about dinosaurs, they often imagine one creature.
In reality, dinosaurs ruled Earth for more than 160 million years, and during that time, they evolved in some of the most extraordinary animals our planet has ever seen.